Yeah, kiddos, you want to have some fun, huh? How about mine, anyways? First words, huh? Do you remember all your first words, kiddos? How about pets? What pets' first words did we have? Well, a rabbit, then a fish, and a cat, a mouse, it has to have something for the cat to chase, and a dog. See all those, kiddos? It's a rabbit, a fish, a cat, a dog, and a mouse. Yeah, your first words. How about when you go to the park? Do you remember? You remember seeing the kites fly up in the sky? Or the birds? Or somebody bouncing a ball by you? Or looking and seeing a beautiful flower? Or what my favorite is, see the pretty butterfly? Yeah. Isn't that a pretty butterfly? Yes, it is. I mean, how about things that go? Well, how about a boat? Ooh, boats are fun. Then there's the car and the airplane and the train and the one I used the most when I was young, and that is a bike. Yeah, a bike. Do you have a bike, kiddos? Can you ride it? How about if I went to a toy box? What would be in there? Well, there'd be a doll if you like dolls, and a drum if you like to go rap-a-tat-tat-tat, and your parents don't go crazy every time you're beating on something. Or maybe a lovable teddy bear. How about a robot? A robot would be a good toy, and so would a puzzle. See? Yeah. See that? There's a robot, and look at right there's a nice teddy bear. Yeah. How about, have you ever visited the farm, like old McDonald's farm? How about, did you see a cow or a goat or a sheep or a chicken or a horse? Well, those are our friends normally, aren't they? Out there on that farm, yeah. And then, how about favorites? Food. I love apples, and I love grapes and cookies. Me and Cookie Monster, we love cookies. And a banana, and I even like yogurt. How about you, kiddos? What do you think? Do you like apples and stuff? Then the ones that was probably the toughest for me when I was just a little kiddo was colors. And yellow, like the sun, or maybe a lion, or a blue whale, or an orange crab, or a red fox, or a green frog. What do you, look at that frog, you kiddos, huh? Look at that frog. Isn't he cute? And the crab, yeah. And the red fox, and then the blue whale. Yeah, this is just your first words, kiddos, but you gotta practice them. And every time you hear a new word, let your parents know so that you can share it with them. That's how they know how good you're doing. And I know you're doing good. Well, kiddos, we gotta go this time. But please be safe out there. Listen to your grown-ups. Don't do anything you shouldn't do. And mostly, smile and be safe. Grandpa Ken loves you. Come back as soon as you can, kiddos. We'll have some more just for you.